Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Siddha Gandharva Yakshaghaira Surairamairapi Sevyamana Sadhapuyat Siddhida Siddhidayini Ma Siddhidatri. Ma Siddhidatri is the ninth form of goddess Durga. The meaning of her name is as follows. Siddhi means supernatural power or mediative ability, and Dhatri means giver. She is worshipped on ninth day of Navaratri. She fulfills all divine aspirations and completes the mundane. It is believed that one side of Lord Shiva's body is the goddess Siddhidatri. Therefore, he is also known as by the name of Ardhanarishwar. According to Vedic scriptures, Lord Shiva attained all siddhis by worshipping this goddess. Around the time when the universe was just a massive void completely full of darkness, there were no indications of the world anywhere, but then a ray of divine light which is ever existing spread everywhere, illuminating each and every nook of the void. This sea of light was formless suddenly. It started taking a definite size and finally looked like a divine lady who was none of other the goddess Mahashakti herself. The supreme goddess came forth and gave birth to trinity of gods Brahma, Vishnu and Mahadev. She advised the three lords to contemplate, understand their roles of performing their duties for the world. Acting on the voice of goddess Mahashakti, Tridev sat by the bank of an ocean and performed penances for many years. The pleased goddess appeared before them in the form of Siddhidatri. She bestowed upon them, she created her two clone and Vishnu, Brahma's wives, in the form of Saraswati, Lakshmi and goddess Adi Parashakti, born as Sati and reborn as Parvati. Goddess Siddhidatri entrusted Brahma to take up the role as the creator of worlds, Vishnu with the role of preserving the creation and its creatures, and Mahadev with the role of destroying the worlds when it's time. She tells them that their powers are in the form of their respective wives, who will help them perform their tasks. The goddess assured them that she will also provide to them divine miraculous powers, which will also help them carry out their duties. Saying this, she bestowed to them 8 supernatural powers in which they were named Anima, Mahima, Garima, Lagima, Prapti, Prakambhya, Istiva and Vastiva. Anima means reducing one body's to size of a crumb. Mahima means one's body to infinitely large size. Garima means become infinitely heavy. Lagima means become weightless. Prapti means having omnipresence. Prakambhya means achieving whatever one desires. Istitva means possessing absolute Lord worship, and Vashitva means having the power of subjugate all. Apart from the 8 supreme siddhis that goddess Siddhidatri had granted Tridev, she is believed to granted to them 9 treasures and then 10 other kind of supernatural powers or potentialities. The two parts of man and woman, creator gods, demons, monsters, heavenly beings, urges, trees, damsels, snakes, cows, etc. Aruna and Garuda and many more species of the world when born thus originated from them. The creation of entire world was now fully completed and full of innumerable stars, galaxies as well as constellations. The solar system was completely with 9 planets. On Earth, form of landmass was created. All types of flora originated were given their proper habitations. The 14 worlds were created and constructed all together, giving above mentioned creatures places, residences to stay in, as to which they all called home. In this form of Durga is seated on a lotus and is forearmed. She holds a lotus, mace, chakra and shankha. In this form of Durga removes ignorance and she provides the knowledge to realize that or Brahman. She is surrounded by Siddhas, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Devatas and Asura worship her. The Siddhi that she provides is the realization of only she exists. She is a mistress of all achievements and perfections. Ma Siddhidatri Namo Namaha. Thank you guys. Have a good day.